In today's session, you are going to find the roots of the quadratic equation. Hi, I'm Syed. Welcome to my channel Educate with Syed. Let's get started. The question is find the two numbers whose sum is 27 and product is 182. So there are two numbers. When you add those two numbers, the sum is 27. So let us see what those two numbers are. So let us take, let the first number be equals to x. So I am taking the first number to be equals to x. What is given to us? When you add the first number plus the second number, the sum of these two numbers is what? The sum of these two numbers is 27. And here first number we have taken it as x. So first number is x plus the second number we don't know is equals to how much? Is equals to 27. Now let us get the second number. Second number is equals to is 27 plus x goes on the other side, it becomes minus of x. Now we have got these two numbers. First number is x, the second number is 27 minus of x, right? So the first part of the question is over. The two numbers whose sum is 27. Now move on to the next one. And the product of these two numbers is 182, it says. That means first number multiplied by second number will give rise to 182. So once again it is given that product of two numbers is equals to what? Is equals to 182. So what does this product of two numbers means? It is the product of the first number and the second number. Can I write this as first number multiplied by the second number is equals to 182. Product of two numbers means first number is being multiplied by the second number and its product is 182. But do we know the value of first number? First number we have taken it as x into, what is the second number we got? Second number we got it as 27 minus x is equals to how much? Is equals to 182. Now let us multiply this one. X is being multiplied by 27, it becomes 27 times of x. Then you have minus here, plus into minus will be minus, x into x will become x square is equals to, we have 182. Or let us take this terms, both the terms on the right hand side. Because we are having this negative x square, to make this as positive x square, I am taking this value on the right hand side. So we get left hand side becomes 0 is equals to, so I am taking this minus x square on this side becomes plus x square. So I am writing in order. First I have written x square, then I will write x. This 27x goes on the other side, it becomes minus 27x. This 182 is retained here only, plus 182. Or can we write in this way? First x square minus 27x plus 182 is equals to, I am writing this equals to 0 over here. So we have got the quadratic equation. Now we need to solve this quadratic equation and find out what is the first number, that is x, what is the second number, 27 minus of x. So let us try to solve this one. To solve this one, once again you have to multiply the first and the last term, right? So let us multiply it. 182 multiplied by x square will be 182 x square. Now we have to choose two numbers such that when you multiply you have to get 182, but when you add you have to get 27. So if you are able to directly get those two numbers, you can go ahead, as we have done in the previous videos. Directly we have chosen two numbers, we have multiplied those two numbers, we got the product, and we have added two numbers and we have got the sum over here, either sum or the difference. But if you are not able to find out directly, the best way is you can take the LCM of 182. So just take the LCM. It is 2 9s are 18, then 2 1s are 2, then go for 7, 7 1s are 7, 2 carry over here, 7 3s are 21. So just try to take all the prime numbers over here, like 2 3 5 7. So I'm just taking the prime numbers. See, 13 is also, we have got it as prime number. Now let's try to multiply over here and see. When you multiply you have to get 182, but when you add you have to get the value to be 27. So let us try to see. 7 2s are 14. Let us try to multiply this one. 7 2s are 14 it is. 14 multiplied by 13 will give rise to 182. But if you add or subtract, because negative sign is there, you have to take minus 14 minus 13. Let us check. Minus 14 minus 13. So 4 plus 3 is 7, 1 plus 1 is 2, with a negative sign. We are getting minus 27. So therefore we have chosen these two numbers. What are those two numbers? Minus 14 and minus 13. So minus of minus will become plus. 14 into 13 will become 182, and this x into x will become x square. So let us take over here, it is x square minus 14x minus 13x, and this plus 182 as it is equals to 0. Now we try to group the first two terms and the last two terms. So first two terms, if I take x common outside, what will be left out here? Another x is left out with a negative sign here. X is gone outside, you are left out only with 14 here. And here minus of, I can take 13 outside, you are left out with x over here, because plus sign is there, you already have minus, so minus of minus will become plus. You have to get 182, so 13 times of 14 will give you 182 is equals to 0. Now if you try to observe, x minus 14 is common. So let me take that x minus 14 common outside. What will be left out? X minus 13 will be left out, is equals to how much? 0. So now we can see that we have two factors. Let us try to find out the value of x from here. First factor, we have x minus 14 is equals to 0. The second factor is x minus 13 is equals to 0. From here x will be equals to, this minus 14 goes on the other side, becomes plus 14. Here x will be equals to, minus 13 goes on the other side, it becomes plus 13. So we have got two values, x is equals to 14 and x is equals to 13. Therefore the roots of the quadratic equation are x is equals to 13 and x is equals to 14. These are the two roots. Now the question is, so if you are having two roots 13 and 14, we have to see which should be the first number, which should be the second number. Let us try to find out. Suppose we'll try to start with, if x is equals to 13 is taken as a first number. So let us take, let the first number, so initially what you have taken the first number as x. Suppose if I take x as the first number and its value I have taken as 13, then what will be the second number? what will be the second number? So what is the second number we have taken? Second number we have taken it as 27 minus x. Can you see? Second number is 27 minus of x. So therefore you can write it is 27 minus of x, or it is 27 minus, what is the value of x you have? 13. So therefore 27 minus 13 will be 14. So therefore the second number will be what? Second number will be 14. So that means this 13 and 14 are those two numbers. This is the first case. If you are taking x as 13, the first value, then you are getting the second number as 14. Now let us try to see, suppose if I take x as 14, let the first number be, let the first number be 14. So now I am taking 14. Let us see what happens. Second number, as we know, second number is 27 minus of x, that is 27 minus, what is x value here? X value is 14. So 27 minus of 14 will be 13. So therefore you have got the second number as 13. So if you take first number as 13, second number will be 14. If you take first number as 14, the second number will be 13. That means two numbers we have got, one as 13 and 14. Therefore we can conclude that therefore the two numbers are, therefore the two numbers are 13 and 14, whose sum will be 27 and whose product will be 182. So that's the required solution. So if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.